Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today, and Sarah's milking a cow. We have lots of wonderful animals. Pigs, goats. Can you tell me how many horses in today's video? A picnic set. And horses. The cattle are arriving. The Hereford bull. The Simmental or Fleckvier bull. The calf. The Holstein cow and calf. The Simmental cow and the Hereford cow. Let's get them into their enclosure. I'm going to feed the adult cattle first, and the two Sarahs will feed the calves. Let's get them into the enclosure. A quick look at the cows and bulls. The Hereford bull. The Hereford cow. The Simmental cow. The Simmental bull. Or Fleckvier bull. The Holstein cow. Sarah's going to milk a cow next. And a nice reward for all that milk. Let's give the calves a drink. A peacock has arrived, plus some goats. A nanny goat, a pygmy goat, a goat kid, and another goat kid. And here come the pigs. We've got 2 sows and 2 piglets, and a pot-bellied pig. The 2 Sarahs feed the piglets first. Let's feed the adult pigs. And now for the goats. Sarah loves the goat kids and feeds them carrots, and then it's time for a cuddle. Next up we have roosters, a black cat, rabbits and baby bunnies. There's also a picnic set. I'm going to show you this after. It's so good. And now for the horses. These are mustangs. The stallion, the mare and the foal. The 2 Sarahs are going to feed the rabbits once they're in their cage. I think that lettuce will help them get there. The roosters are crowing. And here's the baby foal getting a special treat. Let's feed the adult mustangs. I'm going to set up a picnic next. This is a great set. There's a mat, a girl, her cat, a picnic basket, present, cupcake and hedgehogs. The little girl's arms and legs move as well. Lots of visitors at the farm today, having a great time learning about the animals. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.